Hello, my name is Trikeshwar. I am from the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Now I am going to present my presentation about my project Thoughts to Text using the I-1D sequence. Those are the agenda of my project. So what is simply about my project is it is useful to the individuals with the several motor or the speech impaired often face significant challenges in communicating their thoughts and their needs. The traditional communication method requires speech and movement or physical interaction, which may not be possible for the persons who are suffering paralysis, ALS, or locked-in syndrome. All through brain-computer interface offer a solution they are often invisible, expensive and complex to implement. To address those challenges, this project focuses on converting eye-only signals such as eye movements and the blinking into text and providing the cost-efficient and reliable assistant communication system. So this was the problem statement. Problem statements are the same, like brain-computer interaction solutions are the inversion and expensive and complex to implement. A manual caretaker-dependent communication methods are slowly insufficient, and many assistive technologies lag in real-time uh, performance or adaptability. The scope of the project. What is the scope of the project? Means it's mainly focusing on developing a non-invasive assistive communication system using the eye-only signals such as eye movements and the blinking patterns. And the target audience for my project is individuals with a several motor or speech impaired like paralysis, locked-in syndrome. Patients. What are the deliverables in this project I am going to do in my project is the functional eye signal to the text conversion system, a trained and evaluated eye signal recognition model, a simple and accessible user interface for text display and interaction. So those are the data we are using here. Publicly available are the self-collected data for the eye signals, including eye movements and the blinking patterns, capturing through the camera. And what are the limitations of those is data constraints, limited availability of larger diverse eye signal data may affect the model performance. So those are the methodologies I am using for my project. First one is eye signal acquisition, second one data preprocessing, third one eye feature extraction, fourth one eye signal classification, fifth one virtual keyboard development, sixth one is text generation in the output, seventh one always a system integration and testing. This is the architecture diagram of the project. Those are the definitions of the use case diagram. This is the use case diagram of the user. This is the use case diagram of the admin. This is the definition of the class diagram. This is the class diagram of my project. This is the sequence diagram of my project. So the algorithm I have used in the project is first one is OpenCV based eye detection algorithm to detect the eye movement using the camera, and second blinking detection algorithm to detect the message they want to communicate through the blinking. Third one is eye movement tracking algorithm, and fourth one is text conversation algorithm for the converting the blink signals into the text. Those are the hardwares I have used for this project, and software always Windows, but programming language I have used is Python. So these are the programmatical libraries and software requirement for this program project. I'm implementing using the mainly OpenCV and PyTorch as the main source to build this project. Those are the sample codes, the imported libraries for this project. This is the tick the function which is the main function to handle and detecting the blinking and converting the text blinking into the text. The function is a tick function. This is the output virtual keyboard for the user. This is the camera reduction. This is the test case we go through for the lots to text using I-only signal. This is the accuracy precision record bar diagram for my project. As in conclusion, in this project, the experimental result demonstrates the eye-only signals such as the eye movement and the blinking pattern can efficiently used to convert the user intention into the readable text. By utilizing OpenCV-based eye detection and the tracking algorithm, the system successfully identify eye movements and the intentional blinks with the reasonable accuracy and the minimal delay. This project provides non-innovation cost-effective assistive communication solution for the individuals with the several motors or with speech impairment. The proposed system enable users to communicate without the need of speech, hand movements, or the complex invasive device, thereby improving the accessibility and the independence. As a future work, further work will be explore the integration of the deep learning-based eye tracking model and multi-language text support to enhance the usability. Additionally, the system can be extended to support the speech synthesis and integration with the assistive data or the smart environment, employing the richer and more natural communication for the users. Those are the papers which I have referred to do this project. That's all my presentation is over. Now I am going to show the and I'm going to demonstrate the working demo of my project. First, I will show the code of the project. This is the main code to run implemented for this project. Those are the HTML, CSS files to create the virtual keyboard. We are capturing the miscellaneous data and we are uploading the path to detect the pictorial face and the I3 angle glass which have the predefined dataset to detect the blinking movements to the text. This was the detecting the eyeballs movements left to right or like that. Those are the letters which are presented in the keyboard. This is the main function to evaluate the blinking movement into the text or the correcting to the keyboard. That's all. Now I'm going to give a demo of my project. Now the camera is activated. Now you can see the virtual keyboard. It's loading. Now we are going to open the camera. I think something is happened. So the camera is already using the